Everyone loses when courts don't hear from the child directly. Courts often frame this as a choice: protect the child or hear from the child in the child custody dispute. That framing is wrong. The real issue is whether the court receives reliable information, because a court cannot protect what it cannot accurately perceive. When judges bypass direct interaction with the child, they lose entire categories of information that no summary can recreate or substitute for. Tone, hesitation, emotional congruence, these aren't minor details, they're credibility data. Take a simple example. A child is asked if he or she feels safe. The child pauses, looks down, and says, "I guess." A report will say that, for example, the child reported feeling safe. What's missing is the hesitation, the uncertainty, the part that actually matters. There's also the issue of control. When the court hears directly from the child, the judge can ask follow-up questions, clarify ambiguity, and test meaning in real time. That sort of control. A summary is static. It reflects what someone else chose to ask, include, and interpret, if the interview occurred at all. Once it's written, the opportunity to explore the truth is gone. And then there's context. Conversations unfold. Meaning develops over time. Summaries compress that process into conclusions alone. They don't show how those conclusions were reached. They don't show what was and wasn't said. And sometimes what a child avoids saying is the most important information of all. Without a recorded interaction, a complete verbatim recorded interaction, there's no way to detect errors, leading questions, bias, and omission. And if errors can't be seen, they can't be corrected. If they can't be corrected, they can't be reviewed. And if they can't be reviewed, they can't support a defensible ruling. This isn't about distrust, it's about verification. Courts are supposed to rely on evidence that can be examined. When the most important interaction in the case is unrecorded, the foundation is inherently unstable. What cannot be reviewed cannot be weighed, and what cannot be weighed should not decide a child's future.